Juan Pools is thrilled to introduce you to a pool that's a game changer for those with a taste for modern elegance and a cozy backyard space. Meet the Broadway, a sleek, rectangular fiberglass swimming pool crafted with love for small outdoor areas. The Broadway isn't just any pool, it's a masterpiece designed to fit beautifully into compact spaces, measuring a modest 10 feet 9.75 inches in width and 20 feet 10 inches in length. Ideal for rural homes or any spot where space is at a premium, this pool ensures you won't have to compromise on having a luxurious outdoor retreat. Its innovative design includes not one, but two tanning ledges, offering the perfect spot to soak up the sun or relax with a book. And that's not all. The pool's layout is versatile, allowing for a horizontal orientation that can transform your backyard into a stunning modern oasis. With a gentle depth of only 4 feet, the Broadway is perfect for leisurely swims or chilling with loved ones, all within the cozy volume of 5,200 gallons. Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.